Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to use your old phone and turn it into a camera. So you can see in your screen that the camera is 100% working. I tried this trick, it worked for me, so I'm going to show you guys the same trick. So before we hop on to our video, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon beside it so you will be notified about my interesting videos and have the chance to watch more videos. So first, this phone is my old phone and I didn't use it for 2 months. So I thought to use this phone and I charged it and I tried this trick. It worked, so I thought to show you guys also. So first we need to download apps. An app in the new phone, an app in the old phone. So make sure your phone is Android because these tricks only work in Android. So first let's download the app. So the app's name and link will be in the description, and it's also available in the Play Store. So I will also say the name of the app. So the app's name is At Home Camera. There are two apps, the blue background and the red background. You need to download the red one in your new phone and the blue one in your old phone. So the red one in your new phone and the blue one in your old phone. So it's written over here the IP camera and here the remote control. So let's install both apps and wait till the end. Okay, now the apps are downloaded. So let's open the app. This is the blue one and this is the red one. So let's open the apps now. So just allow all the permissions. Allow. Cancel. So you can make many cameras by using your phone. I had like 6 cameras. I removed them all to show you how to add only one camera. So you can use CID or the QR code to add your camera to your phone. I'll use a QR code. So let's add QR code and scan the QR code. Okay. The camera is added. So let's give it a try. Now on the camera. So see guys, it's working. It's working 100%. It also has many options. So I'll just show you all the options now. So you can see record button, how hold to talk, and many options. So I'm going to show you the hold to talk, record, all the options now. So you can see record button and hold to talk. Hold to talk is you can talk from this phone to that phone, and you can also talk from that phone to this phone too. And you can change the quality if you pay the app. You can capture the correct thingy, and you can change it to color. You can also on the flashlight. I'll on the flashlight. The flashlight will be on. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Before you leave the video, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon beside it. So I'll make more videos for you guys.